So in this video, I am going to show you how you can install Jupyter Notebook on your system, which is an IDE that I frequently use while demonstrating any code. So hey guys, this is Biswajit. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's start with the video. So out of the multiple ways, I know there are two ways in which you can install Jupyter Notebook. So if you have not watched this particular playlist, this playlist contains how to install Anaconda on Windows and how to install Anaconda on Linux. If you install Anaconda on your system, Jupyter Notebook comes by default in it. You don't have to install anything apart from the Conda distribution. If you are installing Python from here, Python 3.11.2. So Python comes loaded with pip installer. Using the pip installer, you will be able to install Jupyter Notebook. So I will show you how to install using the pip installer. So I'll open my terminal. Okay. So if you don't know how to set up your terminal, and if you want a setup that looks just like me, you can watch this particular playlist. Okay, where I have made a video on how to set up your terminal. Just open your terminal, and you don't have to type these commands that I am typing. You can just ignore this. So since I am using the Conda distribution comes preloaded with a Jupyter Notebook, but don't have to worry about that. So I will create a new Conda environment. You don't need to type anything. Okay. Maybe I can open this one, Conda activate Python Jupy. Yep. If I open this, yep. If you have installed Python, and if you have Python set properly, if you just do pip list from your terminal, you should be seeing something like this. You have the certify, then you have the pip. Okay, this is the packages that should be present if you have installed Python properly. There might be some additional one or two more packages, but I think this packages should be present, like especially pip should be present. Okay, so now you can see Jupyter Notebook is not set up over here. We have not installed it. So how we can install it is just a single line command, pip install Jupyter Lab. And if I just to enter, it's going to start downloading Jupyter Lab 3.6.3. It will take some time to load. It is pulling out all the dependencies that is required. It is downloading them. So seems like Jupyter Notebook and all its dependencies are installed. Now how we can verify it? I will do pip list. And you can see previously we had so less number of packages. Now if you check, we had the Jupyter Lab. Okay, then there is IPython that got installed, and if we look little bit more, we have the notebook installed. Okay, so I think all the packages are installed as expected. So now let's turn our Jupyter Notebook on. So Jupyter, if you just type Jupyter and if you do tab, it will list out all the packages, but let's type Jupyter NOTE. Okay, so Jupyter Notebook.exe, just press tab and it will be auto completed. And if I just press enter, and you can see Jupyter Notebook is turning on, and yep, Jupyter Notebook is on. Okay, so you can just create a new notebook. So here you can type any Python code. So maybe let's type like this video. Okay, if I do shift enter, you can see this Python program is working just fine. So we have successfully set Jupyter Notebook on our system. If your browser is something else, maybe when you fired up Jupyter Notebook, your Chrome got opened or your Edge got open. Okay, you can customize which browser you want to open. Okay, so I will make a separate video on how to customize your own browser. So my default browser is actually Chrome browser, which is over here. But if I turn on my Jupyter Notebook, Firefox opens because I have set up Firefox as the default browser for my Jupyter Notebook. If you want to know how to do that, stay tuned in the channel and I will make a video on this. So I hope you guys were able to install Jupyter Notebook. If you guys did, please like this video, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in that awesome upcoming programming video.